Welcome back to the garage, everybody. Today we're getting ready for a race. So we're going to do anything but a boat race. It has to be something that floats, but it can't be a boat. So we're going to use our tricycle that we have here. It's a motorized tricycle, and in our race it has to be manpower, which means me. So this motor's coming off. We're going to take all that off. We're going to take a bunch of the other extra junk off, our mirror, and all the extra cables. We're going to be making a bunch of these wheel paddles. We're gonna make 12 of these to go on our wheels out of this 2-inch PVC. We're gonna make a bunch of those, and then we're gonna strap some 55-gallon drums to each of the wheels and to the front of the bike, and then we're gonna have a floating tricycle, not a boat. We're gonna compete in the race, see how we do, and hopefully we win. I don't know. Maybe we'll drown, maybe we'll win. I don't know. But stay tuned, and we'll have a good time. Let's go.
Howdy y'all, and welcome to my shop. Join my family and me as we build projects and go on adventures. My name is Waylon, and this is Muddy Turtle Motors.
Alright, so these are going to be the paddles that we make for the wheels. To do this, we're going to cut 12-inch sections out of this 2-inch PVC pipe. I believe this is Schedule 40 2-inch PVC pipe. Just got it in 12-inch sections, and then we're going to slice it down the middle, and then we're going to go about 4 inches and cut it here. Then we're going to hit it with a heating gun and flatten it out, and then we'll hit it with a heating gun and open it up. When we get done, we'll have these paddles. What we're going to do with these paddles is we're going to take each of them and snap them onto the wheel like that. There we go. And then we're going to zip tie this on and use lots of duct tape, and we'll have 6 paddles per wheel. 6 and 6. And that should give us lots of propulsion for our not a boat. Let's see what it does. Okay, so we got all the junk off the bike. Now we're gonna work on the rudder, which is gonna be my front wheel. I have some old road signs that I use for various projects, and if I do it like this, let's see, I'll do it like this. That pokes through just fine. That covers up most of the wheel, and I have another piece that will cover this part of the wheel, and a little bit of duct tape, and we got a rudder. So whenever we power the pedal and the power comes from the rear, we use this to steer in the front. Let's see if it works. Everything's going on with duct tape. This is not a permanent build. Duct tape and zip ties. Boy. Put enough duct tape on it so that makes up most of the rudder itself. Yeah. Don't have to last for very long. It's a short race, just a few hundred, couple hundred yards. It's not good. Strip ripped. I didn't even notice it. We've just been doing it. Oh man. My rolls all messed up.
You have to cut it.
Yeah. Very professional. Yeah, definitely not painting anything. I want all the duct tape to show in its glory. See, it's really just part of my strategy. I'm using duct tape so it's faster in the water. It is. So to float, we're going to use 55-gallon drum. So when we do the pedally thing, it's gonna be a problem. Yeah, see, that's gonna work great. Now I gotta do the other side. Plastic rims really hold up to tension. More floaty dough. More floaty dough. There you go. One down, 11 to go. Alright. See you in a minute. Alright, so we gotta flip it over so we can do the other side. Pedaling forward. Uh-oh, one side's not turning. Well, that's not good. We only have one-wheel drive. We're going slow. Alright. Well, we got the paddles put on this side, but apparently this bike is a one-wheel drive and this one free spins. So I'm going to take the paddles off that so I don't have extra drag on there. And this side gets paddles, this side don't. We're still going to put a drum in the front and hope for the best. Hopefully we don't just paddle in circles, but man, we're going to see. Well, we got a roll of duct tape per barrel so far. And so we have our flotation in the rear, our drive wheel with paddles, extra sharp corners to cut through the water. And we're gonna put another drum on the front so that the front stays up. Let's go. All right, everybody, well, we got it put together-ish. We're gonna put it in the water and see if it floats and see if I drown. But race day is coming up next weekend, and it's as good as it's gonna get. So tune in next time and see if I survive. See ya.